So the whole point of finding a unit price for an item is to figure out if there's two different quantities of whatever it is that you're trying to buy, which one is the cheaper or better buy. Um, this doesn't really work if you're comparing different brands of things, but if you're comparing like two different size cans of coffee to find out which one's actually cheaper. So we're only going to do one example because this is pretty straightforward. What it is like if you have two or three different sizes of something, like a 6-pack of soda versus a 12-pack versus a 24-pack of soda, the exact same thing. Which one is the better buy? Now, usually, not always, but usually, you'll think that the bigger one, you're getting more for your money. But sometimes if there's a sale, especially, it might actually be cheaper for you to buy two smaller bottles of something versus one bigger bottle. So ultimately, what I want you guys to do is to be good stewards of your money and to spend wisely. All right. When you get out there in the real world and you're responsible for buying everything of your own, and no one's helping you out, it's really kind of important that you spend your money wisely. So like I said, we're just going to do one example, and then I'll let you guys run with it. So what we're looking for, the best buy or the cheapest buy or whatever, is the one with the smallest unit price. Now, if you want to get really technical on this, you'll need to go out further than just two decimal places. So when I work these out, I'm going to list a bigger decimal, and then you can see which one's actually the cheaper buy. Sometimes if you round, it might be a penny off here and there. So we'll take these out a little bit differently. All right. So ranch salad dressing. All right, let's suppose we've got we're going to buy us a new bottle of Hidden Valley Ranch for our whatever it is. I want to know which one of these three different bottles is the best buy. I've got a 16-ounce bottle for $3.49, so we're going to take $3.49 and divide that by 16. I've got a 20-ounce bottle for $4.69, so same thing there, but this time I'm going to divide by 20. And then I've got the big, gigantic bottle for $6.19. But that is 36 ounces. So again, just like we've done before, it's the price divided by the number of units in that container. So in this case, the ounces of a bottle here. So $3.49, divide that by 16. When I did that one, I've got, where's my cursor? 0.218125. And again, I'm writing out all of this because I want you guys to see a little bit more what's going on here. Divided by 20. This one is 0.2345. And the last one, 619 divided by 36. This one is 0.1719 and a whole bunch of fours. Okay, so if we rounded these to two decimal places, and I just wanted you to illustrate this in case one of the problems you run across does this. If I rounded this 0.22, this one 0.23, and this one is 0.17. It's pretty obvious that the 36-ounce bottle is the best buy because it is the cheapest. Let's say we did all of these and they all kind of wound up being about the same price. You would just need to check a little bit further out on the decimal to see which one's actually cheaper. Hopefully that doesn't happen, or if it does happen, it only happens once or twice. So this is one of those cases where the bigger bottle really is the better buy. Just be aware that that's not always the case. Okay, so I've got $1.49 for 75 Kleenexes, or $2.89 for 184. So let's figure those out real quick. I know I said I was going to do one, but I just changed my mind. So these are 0.019 and 289, 184. 0.015. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, where you go out a little bit further so you can really compare. If you rounded these to just two decimal places, this one would be 2 cents and this one would be 2 cents. But this one is actually the slightly better buy, right? You just need to go out a little bit further as far as the decimal goes. Ultimately, as far as the questions go, I'm saying which one is the better buy. So it's either this one or this one. You don't necessarily have the numbers to back it up. So that'll be on you to carry these out far enough that you can see which one's technically the better buy.